All right, so now we're going to take a look at page 22. We're going to do the problem solving. It's only 4 questions, so I'll do one of them with you. The question asks, what fraction of the student population has not yet voted? So, 3/10 of the students have voted for Fighting Titan. 1/2 of the students have voted for a Nifty Knight. So these 2 fractions have voted. We have to determine who has not yet voted. So first let's figure out who has voted. All right, let's figure out who has voted. So again, this is number 20. So I'm going to combine the students that have voted. So I have 3/10, do my fraction train, count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. Count by 3s in my numerator, 3, 6, 9, 12. Plus 1/2. Count by 2s in my denominator, 2, 4, 6, 8. Count by 1s in my numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I don't have a match yet, so I have to do more fraction trains. Once I do more fraction trains, I get 8, 10, 12, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, I now have a match of 3/10 and 5/10. So I'm going to combine those. 3/10 plus 5/10 gives me 8/10. Now, if 10 is my whole, that means that 10/10 would represent all of the students. So in order to make it a whole, you just have to have the same denominator and numerator. So if 8/10 have voted, I'm going to use 10/10 to represent the whole. So I'll do 10/10 minus 8/10, which gives me 2/10. And I want you to notice that 2/10 is not an answer choice. They try to trick me and give me 3/10. But 2/10 is not an answer choice, and here's why. The reason it's not an answer choice is because this 2/10 has to be simplified. So I'll make a factor chart for 10. I can do 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Make a factor chart for 2. I can do 2 times 1. So my greatest common factor between both of them is 2. So I divide the top by 2, and I'll divide the bottom by 2. That will give me 1/5. Please complete the rest of the problems. Thank you.